In a bee colony, almost all the work is done by female bees. The worker bees, the ones that build the hive, collect nectar, make honey, protect the colony, and care for the young, are all female. Male bees, called drones, have only one main role: reproduction. They do not build hives. They do not gather nectar. They do not produce honey. Modern entomology clearly shows that the entire functioning workforce of a hive is female. Now, here's where it gets interesting. More than 1,400 years ago, the Qur'an spoke about bees. In Qur'an, in Surah An-Nahl, chapter 16, verses 68 to 69, Allah says He inspired the bee to build your homes in the mountains, the trees, and in what people construct. Then eat from all the fruits, and follow the paths made easy for you. In Arabic, the verbs used in these verses are in the feminine form. The commands build, eat, and follow are directed to a female. Why does that matter? Because the bees that actually build, eat nectar, and produce honey are female worker bees. At a time when people had no microscopes, no modern biology, no detailed study of insect societies, the Qur'an used feminine grammar when describing the bees' work. The chapter itself is even called An-Nahl, meaning the bee. The Qur'an also says that from the bee's belly comes a drink of different colors in which there is healing for people. Today, we know honey varies in color depending on flowers, and modern research confirms its antibacterial and medicinal properties. It is not a science textbook. But when it speaks about nature, it speaks with precision. For those who reflect, there are signs.